Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that why project tailoring is important. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. First of all, friend, what is tailoring in project management? Friend, all processes, tools, and techniques recommended for the management of projects may not be the best applicable as defined by a methodology, but need to be amended for becoming suitable for being applied in an organization. And this is called actually the tailoring. In the context of project management, tailoring refers to the careful selection, modification, and execution of processes, tools, and techniques for project success. Tailoring is a process to address the multifaceted challenges in project management and resolve by developing suitable procedures according to the end need of the organization. Some organizations have fruitlessly struggled to apply a project management methodology in totality and observed it to be inappropriate for their environment or specific projects, which caused issues in projects and adverse financial effects. For example, you desire a tailor to new a suit. The tailor will take your measurement, based on which the tailor will sew this suit will be in accordance with your desire and may not be fully suitable or fit other people. This is called actually the tailoring. Alternatively, you can also visit a shop and buy a ready-made suit which will also be suitable for you but may not be according to your size. This can be compared with a defined methodology that is applied without any modifications. Thus, you may tailor all projects processes according to particular need. Now, what is the goal of tailoring? The goal of tailoring is to assist project management practitioners and organizations in creating and tailor their project management methodologies to achieve effectiveness, usefulness, and the probability of project success. Tailoring is the success of referencing framework documents, standards, and other relevant sources and utilizing those elements that provide processes, tools, and techniques that are suitable for that particular organization. How to do the tailoring now? This is the very big question. Tailoring includes modification of current processes being used by the organization, and thus a project management methodology is customized, and the resultant project management methodology will become appropriate to be applied in particular kinds of projects being performed in the organization. The methodology that has been tailored will consider complexity, type, size, duration of the project as suitable in the context of the organizational, including its adaptability by the project management team. The waterfall approach is applied in construction projects as work can be predicted due to the availability of an adequate industrial base, along with the experience of the project team in the execution of numerous similar projects in the past. However, software projects tend to apply agile methodology as most of the work is evolving and it is difficult to predict the feature required, as these are based on the continuous feedback by the stakeholder. Tailoring is essential due to the uniqueness of each project. Every process, tool, technique, input, or output stated in the PMBOK guide may not be necessary for all projects. Tailoring can resolve the challenging constraints of quality, scope, cost, schedule, resources, and risk. The significance of each constraint may be different for each organization and project. Thus, the project manager should tailor for the effective management of the constraints based on the stakeholder needs organizational culture, and the project environment. Guide to the Project Management Body of Knowledge PMBOK Guide PMI defines a methodology as a system of practice, techniques, procedure, and rules. More significantly, a project management methodology is a defined, documented, and discoverable set of policies, practices, processes, tools, techniques, and templates that provide guidance on how projects are run within an organization. A methodology can be extensive or minimal, rigorous or lightweight, complex or simple, linear or highly iterative, described in the phases or described for the entire project lifecycle. There is no one single project management methodology that should be applied to all projects all the time. A project management methodology should reflect the size, duration, and complexity of each individual project and be adapted to the industry, organizational culture, and level of organizational project management maturity of the organization. A methodology is typically derived from a project management framework document or standard such as PMBOK guide here. Then tailoring is basically is the process of referencing framework documents, standards, and other relevant sources and utilizing those elements that provide processes, tools, and technique that are suitable for that particular organization. It also includes modifying existing processes currently in use by the organization. As such, the process of tailoring is a process of customizing a project management methodology. The result of tailoring is that the project management methodology will be suitable for use in a specific type of projects, and a tailored methodology will reflect the size, complexity, and duration of the project as appropriate for the organizational context, along with adaptation to the industry within which the project is undertaken. General examples of tailoring include the trend for the IT projects to use agile based approaches, while construction projects more often use a waterfall approach. Organizational culture is another dimension influencing tailoring. An organization with a low tolerance for risk may have many processes and procedures to guide project management throughout its life cycle, while a similar company operating in the same market but with a high tolerance for risk may have fewer processes and procedures. For example, in American Productivity and Quality Center's Effective Project Management Offices study, Dell Devices, a business unit of Dell Incorporation, reported using a 4-level ranking system to categorize project complexity. At the highest level, projects use a high degree of rigor. As the level of complexity decreases, so too does the level of rigor and level of monitoring. Project performance is monitored using an established framework for consistent reporting across all projects. So friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues. And thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.